HowExpert Guide to Drawing Anime and Manga is your complete step-by-step blueprint for drawing expressive anime and manga characters with clarity and confidence. With 250+ illustrations, clear instruction, and a proven 39-day system, you will learn to construct accurate anatomy, design memorable characters, create expressive poses, and build engaging manga scenes from the ground up. The exclusive ANIMEMANGA framework guides you from foundational shapes to polished illustrations in a structured sequence that is practical and easy to follow. Across 39 days of step-by-step training, you will build strong fundamentals, refine facial features, master gesture and movement, strengthen anatomy, develop environments, plan panels, explore genres, and complete finished character sheets and full-page scenes. Each stage builds logically on the last, so your skills grow steadily and with purpose. By the end, you will have a personal collection of anime and manga artwork, along with the clarity and confidence to keep improving as an artist. Introduction: learn why anime and manga art captivates audiences, what tools and materials to use, how styles evolve, and how the 39-day system guides your progress. Chapter 1: A. Anatomy Foundations, Days 1 to 4. Build core structure with head construction, facial guidelines, body proportions, gesture flow, and stylized foreshortening. Chapter 2: N. Notable Features and Styles, Days 5 to 8. Practice drawing eyes, hair, hands, mouths, and defining details that shape character identity. Chapter 3: I. Illustration Dynamics, Days 9 to 12. Develop expressive poses, clothing, props, perspective, and dynamic movement. Chapter 4: M. Manga Storytelling, Days 13 to 16. Create compelling concepts, character roles, pacing, and clear visual flow. Chapter 5: E. Environment Design, Days 17 to 20. Draw indoor and outdoor settings with depth and atmosphere. Chapter 6: M. Manga Panels and Composition, Days 21 to 24. Plan layouts, camera angles, transitions, and readable page structure. Chapter 7: A. Artistic Techniques, Days 25 to 28. Refine inking, shading, toning, coloring, and special effects. Chapter 8: N. Narrative and Emotion, Days 29 to 32. Strengthen acting, lighting, symbolism, and emotional impact. Chapter 9: G. Genre Exploration, Days 33 to 36. Explore shonen, shoujo, seinen, yosei, fantasy, sci-fi, and crossover styles. Chapter 10: A. Advanced Showcase, Days 37 to 39. Complete character sheets, full illustrations, and a professional portfolio project. Conclusion: reflect on your progress and learn how to continue growing beyond the 39-day system. Appendices includes drawing prompts, proportion charts, resource guides, and artist troubleshooting support. Whether you are a beginner discovering anime drawing for the first time or an experienced illustrator refining your style, HowExpert Guide to Drawing Anime and Manga provides a clear and structured path to stronger character design and scene creation. With the 39-day system, the ANIMEMANGA framework, and 250+ illustrations guiding your development, you will sharpen your technique and strengthen your fundamentals. Start your anime and manga drawing journey with purpose. This guide helps you design expressive characters, craft confident poses, and build cohesive manga scenes with clarity and control. Pick up your pencil, trust your creativity, and start drawing anime and manga today. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.